Hey guys, so when it comes to foldable phones, Samsung is the king. The South Korean tech giant is the master of this art and their Fold 3 is doing really good in the market. Currently there isn't any true competitor for the Galaxy Z Fold 3, but this could change very soon as Oppo's first ever foldable phone is inching closer to its launch. An Oppo phone has certified by China's MIIT, which according to information is none other than Oppo's first ever foldable phone. This phone will be called Oppo Find N. It will feature an inward folding display similar to the Galaxy Z Fold 3. The quality of the display will be excellent with 2K resolution and 120Hz refresh rate. We might see an LTPO panel allowing dynamic refresh rate from just 1Hz all the way to 120Hz, which will allow it to be highly battery efficient. Powering this new foldable could be the Snapdragon 888 or 888 Plus chipset, which is still one of the most powerful chipsets for flagship devices. As we all know, Oppo's flagship phones known for its excellent cameras, and the Find N will be no different. The Oppo Find N may feature company's first ever self-developed image chip. This chip will be using a custom 50-megapixel Sony IMX766 sensor and will be capable of capturing some really stunning images. On the front, it may feature a 32-megapixel selfie snapper that will likely be housed in a punch hole. As for its launch date, the company will host its annual tech event, the Oppo Inno Day 2021 on December 14, where it could launch the much awaited foldable phone. So yeah, what do you guys think about this? Do let me know in the comment section down below, and if you somehow like this video, a sub to the channel will definitely make my day. As always, I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.